Okay, here's the Sparxs order number 199619. I'm trying to get a replacement disc. Got a new 1/2 inch and a new 5/8 inch disc. And the Sparxs 2 will accept this brand new one that's a 1/2 inch, but will not accept the one that's 5/8 here. So I've got the unit on. Okay, I'm putting on the 5/8 inch disc here, 199619 here. It just came in December and it won't accept the disc. Screw it on. Go ahead and close it. So this is a brand new disc, 5/8. Just came in 199619 a few weeks ago. Went to use it. It does this on the Sparxs 2 and the older machine. And all these other discs that I've got, 3/4, 7/16, a couple 5/8 that are, this one's about out. They all accept it. So on two different machines, on the Sparxs 2 and the original Sparxs 100 machine, the brand new disc that came in will not work. It reads like this. Okay, here's the 1/2 inch disc that came in on order number 199619. Got it attached, and I'll go through and click it in place. I'm going to go back and forth. Shows it's got full capacity. So what I'm trying to do is get an RMA to get this disc back. I don't know how plain that can be. I probably bought 10 or 20 of these discs over the last 6 years. This is the first one that's bad. So I'm trying to get a replacement for this because got 75 bucks tied up and it's kind of bad. It kind of looks bad for Sparxs. It does this on two different machines. It does it on this machine, which is a Model 2. It does it one that they have at a local hockey team and won't read it. And it also won't read on an old E100 machine. So this cannot be read on 3 different Sparxs machines, and other discs will. So that's fairly clear. Okay, here's a defective 5/8 inch ring bought in late December 2023 on this Sparxs order. You put it in and it reads red. There's the disc. There it is right there. This is on an old E100 machine. It also does it on 2 different Sparxs 2s. It reads as no capacity. And on this order, I got a 1/2 inch one and a 5/8. The 5/8 does this. The 1/2 inch shows full capacity. It also shows full capacity on all the other discs that I have of different types. I've probably run 12 different discs through this machine. So I've got a bad disc. It's shown to be bad here right out of the box on 3 different machines. An old E100 and 2 different of the newer ones that are the Sparxs 2 units. Okay, there's the 1/2 inch one just installed, brand new from December 2023, and it appears to show that it's full capacity just like all these other discs. And this one here is just about worn out on a 5/8. It reads way down to here. That's why I ordered a spare, and the spare I just ordered that came in, I just went to use it the other day, shows 0 on here. So for clarity, this disc shows 0 capacity on 3 Sparxs machines, and all the machines will read these discs with the varying capacity except the brand new one I just got. So I've got a bad disc. I don't know how clear I can be. Maybe I need to check this on an infinite number of machines, but if it does it on 3 out of 3 machines, that's fairly clear. I've got a bad grind disc. The RFID in here is screwed up.